to another edition of Sheepy Hollow. And today's job is, I'll show you in a second, we've got something to go upside, out the side. There. Like that. Put the big boots on here. My wife made last night scallops and bacon. It was to die for. It was really good. Okay. So first things first. We'll get all our duds on here. Get the hat. And next week, the first week of January, I've got a bunch of things to do. I'll be going in with the dog one day. I think I got an operation in another day. And then, not all sure what's going on. Oops. Just a minute. Get the bark or something in there. So this is what we're going to do today. We're going to hang up our birdhouse outside. As soon as I get my gloves on here. And we'll figure out what we got to do to make it work. Alright, lights on. Let's go. And I've got to do the calendar up there with the new one down here and carry over all the mice that have been eaten or I've trapped for the year. I can't remember, we're around 20 or 30 mice. Okay, so what we're going to do first is to see where we can hang this thing so the dogs can't reach it. Because they'll just destroy it if they get their dirty little hands on it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright. My wife suggested hanging it under here, but I don't think that's too close to those guys. And I think I'm going to end up doing is moving those two somewhere else. And because I put these up here to keep the squirrels from leaping over there, which is working, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I think what I might have to do is come out here, take this thing off of here. I don't use this because it takes up too much. There's a lot of birds on that. Okay, so let's go get... Actually, let me see here. First, if I take that board off of there, and how could I do that? I put it like that, it probably won't swing. Not sure. Let me see. Alright, let's go in and do some more pondering here. What are you doing there? What are you eating? Okay. So put this in here for safety. Put this up here, because it doesn't really go out there very good. Put that right there. Now let's go grab a drill. Let's see what we can do here. 1 degree in here. It's warming up. Let's get a battery. Oh! Let's go. Let's go. Go get him. All right. If I can get that board out of there, then that might be able to give me some options. The other thing I could do, yeah, whatever. Watch out. All right. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, okay, I gotta put you down. I'll put you up here. I'll get up here too. Oh, good, icy steps. It's warming up nice. Okay, let's see if I can get you so you don't come tumbling down here. There, how's that? Not very stable. Close enough. Alright. You boys. That's 1, 2, 3. I'll be back. Achoo. No, you're not going in there. Ice. No. No. There you go. Don't you guys go near the camera. There, what do you want? All right. Okay. Now, don't know if this is going to work or not, but I'm going to give it a try. Hey, what's going on, you guys? What's up? What's that? What's that? We'll check it out. Okay. Now. Now, I think that's going to work. Show me those teeth. Huh? Show me those teeth. Huh? My hands are freezing. Hey. Storm. Hey, go get him. Go get him. Come on. Make sure none of my wife's slippers are out here. Let's go see. Come on. Don't knock me over on the ice, boys. Ooh, originally, we used to have a rope hanging off of there, and I used to have a bird feeder there. It had a solar panel on it of some sort. It was a snowman. Look at these guys playing. Bear is really getting dominant. He wants to be first out. The Dorn, he'll even growl at Storm, which is a very, that's something I don't even want to do. But that's it. We've been getting a lot of deer coming in here at night. How many, I don't know. But we had a hard time getting the boys in last night. I gotta watch out. We got a storm coming around 2 o'clock this afternoon. I don't know, probably just a little bit of snow, but. And then New Year's Day, I think it is. We're supposed to be getting rain and it'll work. We'll have to watch this. If there's any problems, then I'll have to come out and remodify this. I had this put up when we had the excavator in here doing a bunch of work. So he just pushed those poles into the ground. And I made that bird feeder. Put those 2 big pizza plates up there to keep the squirrels from jumping onto the building, causing more problems. I got to get some other gloves on. And what I want to do is I want to get some wood out of the woodshed. Because I started burning the inside stuff. And I definitely don't want to do that. Alright, let's put this stuff up here. Oh, my hands are cold. Alright. Put the pry bar back. That come in handy. I haven't used that in a long time. There, that's gone. Fix these things back. Those old screws probably aren't worth saving. My fingertips are frozen right freaking to the bone. I can feel it. Oh man. Okay. That's that. This comes back here. There. Pick up this damn thing. There. I'll pick it up again. Alright, what do we got here? Whether it works again or not, I don't know. I'll just throw them in the dish here and we'll have a look at it after. Alright. So, I need to get a couple of loads of wood. Let's try one first. I gotta warm my hand up first. We'll just put you up here in with the onions. And we'll have a little chat. Ah. Okay. There we go. Ooh, they're ice cold. The temperature in the garage is 0 or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. 0 centigrade. It's cold, man. Let's get this circulation back in here. So we're quickly approaching New Year's Eve. Oh, there's.
Check the vegetables for me.
Right here, yeah. Okay. Yeah, carrots. Squash. Turnip. And what's this? Sweet potatoes.
So what do we need?
Sweet potatoes.
And carrots?
And carrots, yeah. There. There we go. Just checking the dog vegetables. They get vegetables with a little bit of organ meat every day for breakfast. And at night, they usually get a great big dollop of high-fat yogurt. And whatever we didn't eat, or, you know, just a little bit of leftovers anyway. Wow. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put on some warmer gloves. I want to get that wood done so we can get back to doing something else. Objects stay away from the light today. And I'll have to turn that light off later. Yeah, we've had, you can't see it from here, but there's deer walking right up to here. All over, okay. All right, you guys, come on. Hey, watch out. I need a better latch. Okay. Come on. Come on, man. And what we'll do is we'll just keep picking away at this until we get it all out of here. There. Hey, come on. Hey. This is good. There. Hand's doing better now. And all this, I need to split this, a whole bunch of this up smaller before it runs out. What are you doing down here? Come on, man. No touch. out. Watch out. There. Oh, come on. Oh. There, come on. You too. Holy frick, you guys. Alright. Can't bend over anymore. Whew. Come on, let's go. There, nice piece of Burtts. There. That's enough. All this bending over. Oh. Kid. Okay. What'd you get? Come on, hurry up. Let's go. Come on. Up. Let's go. Come on. Out. Hurry up. Holy frig, man. Alright. I can hardly breathe. There. Okay. I don't know. There's probably full of mice in there. We got another mouse today in the garage. Already disposed of. There we go. All right. Oops. Okay. See ya. Bye. Lock it or lose it. That's it. Wow. There, but just put you there for a sec. Another bag. We're gonna have to get some dog food again. Alright, what do we got going on here? Alright. This could go to recycle. Okay. That's wore me out. Oh, I don't need these. I didn't do anything. Really? Alright, what we got cooking here? That looks like paper, so this has got to be plastic. And we're going down to some more restrictions. The anti-vaxxers and all those other characters are going to be right active on the internet today. I think today we're going down to, we got to maintain a group of 10 at the in our personal little bubble, they call it. Here, oh, I got something else to do. I got to empty that 2 bags of ash, or 2 buckets of ash from inside. Try to keep ahead of that. So what we'll do is we'll
I have no windshield wash.
okay.
And the snowman's leaf.
Okay. No windshield washing fluid. She uses it like dish soap. Always running out. So what we'll do is we'll do that first. Holy jeez. Oh good, the bugger's not locked. Now how do you get the hood on? Down here. Okay. Wow. Oh, there it is. Okay. We'll just pop you right here. Be right back. We'll fill that up. Not good, we're going to be out. This is we got this in a bit. And on this dirt road, you need to have windshield washer fluid, plus it's winter. Alright, so let's melt some driveway here at the same time. Good enough. Full. Empty. And the snowman. Alright, let's put this in the plastic. We're going to run out soon to battery because I don't like the cold. Alright, let's get these 2 buckets here. Been sitting in the garage all all night, that one. We'll get that one and that one. Whoops, sorry. Okay. So what I do is I empty it out, or I shovel it out of the fireplace, throw it in a bucket, throw it in the garage. It gets a chance to cool off. And then I drag it out here, and I put it in here. You can see here. We put it right there. And this is halfway already. Alright, don't need no more dust. There. That's a done deal too. Just gotta go up, get rid of the, or fix the snowman. Put these back first. Get them out of the way. And I got a fire to stuff the wood back up. Kabang! Bang! Bang, bang, shangalang. Okay, here we go. Oh, damn thing. You watch, I'll go in, and the mail lady will show up, and I'll have to go out again. We're pretty vigilant on emptying out the mailbox every day. Because there is these, I suspect they're meth heads, going around looking for an easy score. My neighbor had his mail stolen, and down at the bottom of the hill down there, he went down, noticed there was a bunch of flyers and garbage, and just like we generally pick up the garbage out here in the ditches. Wow. Or not in the ditches, but on the road, you know what I mean. The worst of it. There we go. This bugger fell over once more. What I could do is I'll move him a little closer, because he always seems to blow over that one way. I can hear someone down the road way far away. Yeah. And yesterday it was nice and sunny out. Oh, snow's starting already. You can see how the visibility has dropped off. I was going to show you, but I don't think you can see it anymore. Ooh, this is slippery. I've got some crampons I can wear if it gets real bad. I just don't want to frickin' fall, break a hip or some damn thing. You know, just stay on this crunchy stuff over here. So you see, if I get my son to park in there all the time, if when he shows up, he's out of the way, and if anybody needs to loop around, they can loop around. My sister-in-law parked in front of me the other day. I couldn't get out if I wanted to. But anyway, If I had an old pickup with a 4x4, I'd go over the hill. But I don't want to take this thing over there and then have to go find a neighbor with a tractor chained up and pull me back up. We want to avoid these situations or those. But anyway, that's it for today. I think I'm going to go in and spend the afternoon playing World of Tanks in between requests from my wife. Alright? Hang tough, boys and girls. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye now.